Making your own pasta dough is easy, delicious, and gratifying. For the recipe, you will need 3 large eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a little bit of water. Combine the flour, eggs, olive oil, and salt. Once mixed together, drizzle a little water. Continue stirring and adding water until it's the right consistency. You want almost a paste-like consistency. Once combined, knead for 10 minutes. Flour the surface and roll the dough out. As an alternate to hand kneading the dough, you may divide it into equal sections and run it through the roller multiple times, folding each pass. Cut the dough into 8 equal pieces. You may roll the pieces out one at a time using a hand roller, but I'll be using the Anki pasta roller. Flatten the dough section and feed it in through the top of the rollers. Using a pasta cutter, or even just a simple knife, cut the dough into strips. We chose to make linguine here, so we left the dough a little bit thicker. You may store the pasta if you would like, or set about 2 quarts of water on to boil with a little salt. Drop the fresh pasta into the boiling water. Cook to the desired tenderness, about 3 to 5 minutes. Top with your favorite sauce and enjoy.